soul once more. Layer 2 is knocking deeper than before. Got some special helpers working undercover, fine-tuning your toe flex like no other. Quadratus plantae, lumbricals will slide. Let's learn how they function, you and I. Plantar layer 2, the deep support you need. Quadratus plantae, plant in the flexion seed. Lumbricals like worms, on FDL they ride. Flexing MTPs, extending IPs with pride. Lateral plantar nerve mostly runs this show with the medial plantar touch. Watch your knowledge grow. First quadratus plantae, ain't no muscle squarer. Also flexor accessories if you wanna be a sharer. From calcaneus, plant a surface, medial and lateral heads take hold to flex a digitorum, longest tendon story to be told. What's a special mission? It's a director, so is 2. Corrects FGL's oblique pull for a straight flexion pursuit. Soto's 2 to 5 flex true, no sideways deviation. Lateral plantar nerve provides its innovation. No direct partner in the hand, this foot muscle's unique, helping you grip and stand 7 days a week. Quadratus P, the soul's geometry king, makes those long flexor tendons properly sing. Plantar layer 2, the deep support you need. Quadratus plantae, plant in the flexion seed. Lumbricals like worms, on FDL they ride. Flexing MTPs, extending IPs with pride. Lateral plantar nerve mostly runs this show with the medial plantar touch. Watch your knowledge grow. Next, the 4 lumbricals wiggling into view. From flexor digitorum, longest tendons, that's their cue. Each one takes a journey to the extensor hoods they glide. On the medial side of toes, 2 through 5 they ride. Their action's kinda tricky, a biomechanical feat. Flex the metatarsophalangeal joint, so sweet. Then extending her phalangeal joints, a delicate command, helping your toes balance as you walk across the land. Innovation split, listen to the call. First lumbrical gets medial plantar standing tall. Remember LLF muscles from a previous song's recall. Lumbricals 2, 3, and 4 take a different route. Lateral plantar nerve gives them their power, no doubt. Lumbricals, tiny and bright. Keep your toe posture just right. Through this second layer, major tendons cruise on through. Flexor digitorum longest, flexor hallucis longest 2. These extrinsic powerhouses getting help from the deep, while quadratus